Let's draw a circle on the left side and little bit top on the paper. Do not draw in the middle because then body will not fit. So for this one, this is the middle point. I will start from here. I will go here and make it kind of like a straight line here, and then big smiley, little bit down here. I will connect with the bottom part of the circle, and this is the plus sign. So over here I will do one circle and another circle on the top, and one arch shape, one nostril over here. So this was my plus sign line over here. So from here I will go one tilted line and I will create one alphabet J. Not going really deep, just a little bit flat over here, and this circle line I will pull in, and I will draw one circle over here. Now I'm going to erase this part over here, and this one, it's kind of sharp, so instead of that I will curve this one. And at the end of this one I will do one curvy line, and then alphabet U. From here one smiley face, like a very slightly, and 4 long U fingers. Now from here I will do one smiley face, and from here this direction kind of like alphabet Y, and this one is curvy, this one is also a little bit curvy, and I will leave little bit gap. Same point I will turn this one. Instead of going this way I will do sad face over here. From here I will do 4 of them here, just like this one, 2, 3, and then 4. I will connect, and on this line I will pick one point and curve the way this one I curved, and from here I will do alphabet V. So above this one again I will do alphabet V, and here 2, and then I will do 3 of them or 4 of them, totally up to you. 2, 3, and maybe 4 one is here. Now I turn my paper, so I will start from here, and wherever you want to draw you can just make one point, like I did one point over here, and I did kind of curvy alphabet V, and then slowly by slowly you have to turn, and I have to connect here, and the other point I picked over here, and this will get skinnier when it get closer to this point. Now I'm going to erase this part. This line will go in and this one will go a little bit out, and from here I can draw smiley faces. So this one I will color, and I can draw 1 or 2 line over here for the back leg. Now from here I'm going to draw, not going up, sideways. So sad face, I will pick another point and I will make sad face. I will pick here and here 2 points. One is sad face over here, this one I'm not going this side, I will go here. So drawing sad face and connect that one. I will go all the way up here. So this one is going to be a little bit smaller, like this way. Now I'm going to draw some alphabet V here too. Now this is going to be the reflection. I'll erase this part a little bit here. This is the second part. Now I'm going to do a little bit coloring. So from here I will do a little bit peachy area, this one. So I will start from here. I want a little bit dark area this side on the bottom, so I'm giving a little bit dark shade over here, all the way up here, not going all the way here. So suppose if you go a little bit out, you can just erase this one. And let me make it a little bit more dark here so we can see properly. And I will start from here. And I will go only this much. Now this one, over here, and top over here. Really like orange color, you can pick whatever color you like. Now for these ones I'm going to do a little bit on the bottom only. This area I'm going to do a little bit peachish, yellowish. This one I'm going to do orange. Now I'm going to color the whole thing with the green. I'm not going to color these ones. Now I'm going to do a little bit here and there, dark shade.